In this question, you have to match the items given under column 1 with that of column 2. Now, eutrophication is the process of nutrient enrichment in water bodies leading to excessive growth of algae and aquatic plants. Thus, A matches with 3. Now, sanitary landfill is a method of waste disposal where garbage is buried and managed to reduce pollution. Thus, B matches with 4. Snow blindness is a very painful condition caused by exposure to ultraviolet B radiation reflected from the snow. Thus, C matches with 1. And chum cultivation, also known as slash and burn agriculture, involves clearing forests resulting in deforestation. Thus, D matches with 2. Hence, the correct answer is option D.